resonance. Not the ultimate road trip machine. Not with these resonating. Do you have dash lights?
They're very dim.
Dim. Turn it all the way to the left.
All the way
just like it
right here. Yep.
Just like in your Oldsmobile.
Oh hey, it's not
Oh, now they're brightening up when you get on the gas.
it's not dying when I turn left.
Hey, I did fiddle with that float. So maybe something was stuck, or maybe it was just the float was just too low. The float was pretty low. Your max float height was pretty low. Oh yeah. This is what life is meant to be about. Right here. I love the color. See, my problem is,
This is cool.
brown cars. I don't have any blue cars, so I do have the Delta. And I can't wait to get the Delta on the road.
The ride's pretty good.
It does ride very nicely. And it's not too loud at this speed. The RPMs are pretty good. At whatever speed we're going.
Yeah, whatever we're going
Who
at.
knows? So, did this transmission come with... Is this transmission out of this car?
Yep, this is the original train.
Okay.
What I was told.
So the speedometer cable's either broken or disconnected.
Yep.
It's probably just broken. This thing just putters.
Oh, look at this. Turn left now and there's nothing.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, dude, as soon as you turn left, it would shut the car off.
Yeah. Well, awesome.
Oh, yeah.
This is a pretty sweet ride. Even with how crusty she is. That just adds to the character. She's pretty sweet.
Oh, she runs a little bit better. Oh, my God.
Runs a lot better now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome.
Alright, I'll park out here and I'll have you drive it.
If you have poor mileage, you might want to look at run a couple hundred miles on it, and then look at the plugs.
Okay.
And if she's running rich, you can rejet.
Okay.
I love those turn signals that don't work when the brake is on,
Yeah, that don't work when
because the wiring is goofy, probably.
it's shoddy, yeah. Alright. I'll have you hop up here.
Nice. Oh, it sounds so good.
Sounds really good.
Yeah. You mind if I put this on YouTube?
Yeah.
Sweet. Yeah, she sounds good. Oh yeah. Here, you want to hold it? You just want the natural rider experience.
Oh, that's good.
Oh yeah, baby. The idle is nasty. Alright, no, it might be running a little rich because when I floor it now, when it's warm,
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
she's definitely needs to be tuned because the carburetor's not for this engine.
Yep.
Fuel gauge doesn't work either, I see.
Nope, doesn't work.
Do you know if the needle is all the way empty or all the way full?
I have no clue.
Okay.
I'd be careful whipping through here, though, just so you can't see the person coming out.
With the what?
I'd just be careful just driving around here. I always try not to watch corners and stuff for people.
Yeah. They don't have any mirrors.
Yep.
Yeah, the brakes are a little soft.
Yep. It's four drum. It's not front discs.
Yeah.
It's really weird.
No, my Cutlass is 4 drums.
Is it?
My buddy's 68 Catalina was 4 drums. 65 is 4 drums. My 66 is 4 drums. Everything was 4 drums pre-68. Because Pontiac had the first disc brakes, but they were 4-piston. They leaked a lot.
Yep.
They were not good. And then GM came out with the single pistons, which are on the Vista. Oh, the speed! The speed. Oh, man.
Yeah.
I like how the lights dim.
I know. When you get on it, it just dims.
Yeah, you can feel the slop.
Yep.
Steering a little bit. So, remote gear too, that's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's not running perfect.
No.
For sure.
Yep. And yeah, a little bit of adjustment, yeah.
But she's
running a hell of a lot better, yeah.
She runs awesome.
Oh my god. Compared to what I was dealing with before.
Yeah.
It ran like a pile of garbage before.
Yeah. You drove it from Milwaukee?
I drove this from Lamira
Okay.
home.
That's why he met you halfway.
Yep.
And that's, yeah, the charging system's a little
weird.
Oh, don't floor it. Okay. Carburetor is definitely not
Tuned right now?
set.
Yeah.
Yeah, downshift's really nice though.
Yeah, it does a pretty good job. It's just sometimes it doesn't handle it very well on like 41 and stuff.
Yep.
If you go too far, it'll just downshift and then
Yep.
get really high in the RPM.
Yep. I love that horn. Oh,
I know.
that's right.
Yep.
And we're good.
Now we're good.
Drum brakes are trustworthy. I daily drive 4-wheel drum brakes. You know?
Yep.
You just gotta bleed them.
Mm-hmm. Next one.
Yep. You back it in?
No, I just pull it in.
Okay. I'm not gonna pull it in.
No, it's fine. I can do it, yeah.
I'll hold up transmission fan.
Oh, I don't pull it in this one. I pull in the other one.
What?
I pull it in that one down there.
Okay. That idle
Ew.
is a little rough.
You're good.
Your reverse lights work.
Yeah, they do.
Oh, that's like 2 RPM.
It's doing it.
Definitely need an idle
Screw.
an idle screw. You gotta drill and tap that hole for sure. Yeah, exhaust obviously.
Yep.
I think my Delta 88's a little out.
Careful on the brakes. I'm not used to riding passenger in this thing.
Yep,
Gets me nervous.
Yeah.
Oh.
We're good. She runs strong. You run it's idle that low.
I know.
Sounds like a interesting.
Oh.
Perfect. Yeah, so the idle is definitely in.
Yeah. But it runs good now, which I'm really happy about.
You have bad brakes. You have bad brakes in reverse too.
Yep.